Welcome to our discussion on the 24/7 digital employee, how AI agents are redefining small business success. We'll explore a curated guide to the best AI tools for small business owners, presented by Karen Koger, Esquire, a certified AI consultant. AI tools automate repetitive tasks, allowing small business owners to focus on strategic priorities. They offer valuable data analytics for informed decision making and operational optimization. Additionally, AI-enabled marketing tools personalize content, target audiences effectively, and measure campaign success. Welcome to my presentation. I am Karen Koger, Esquire. I'm a certified artificial intelligence consultant. Today, we will explore the transformative power of artificial intelligence in business. Remember the iconic AOL dial-up sound? It was a hallmark of 90s internet access. While nostalgic, the slow connection speeds and frequent disconnections are aspects many don't miss from that era. Welcome to our presentation on the evolution of technology. Today, we'll explore significant advancements and their impact on our daily lives. Large language models are transformative for small businesses. ChatGPT excels in versatile tasks and coding. Claude offers safety and ethical AI with long context windows. Gemini is multimodal, ideal for complex problem solving within the Google ecosystem. Choose based on your specific needs and operational style. To disable training in your large language models like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, ensure that the models are set to inference mode. This prevents them from learning from interactions, maintaining data privacy and security. Welcome to our discussion on the power of the prompt. Shams Fase Farasi Ani Fias. We'll explore how providing clear and specific instructions can unlock the full potential of large language models. The RTF framework is essential for effective AI prompting. Assign a role to the AI, specify the task clearly, and define the output format. This structure ensures precise and relevant AI responses, enhancing the quality of results. The TADDA framework is a 5-step approach for small businesses to leverage AI. Start with training to understand AI tools. Move to asking for crafting effective prompts. Digging explores advanced features. Additional focuses on expanding your toolkit. Finally, assembling integrates everything into a cohesive AI strategy. Perplexity AI is a powerful research assistant, offering direct, well-sourced answers to complex queries. It synthesizes information from multiple sources, providing transparency and reliability. With rapid research capabilities, it boosts efficiency, delivering clear, actionable insights. Its conversational depth allows for follow-up questions, enhancing understanding. Plus, you can access Perplexity Pro free for a year via PayPal. Explore 3 AI apps revolutionizing presentations. Gamma offers responsive, visually driven documents with intuitive Gamma markup language. Beautiful.ai automates design, ensuring polished slides effortlessly. Plus, AI integrates with Google Slides, allowing teams to generate and edit presentations using AI prompts, perfect for Google Workspace users. Explore 3 AI tools revolutionizing graphic creation. Ideogram excels in text rendering for logos and branding. Midjourney generates high-quality visuals from text prompts, perfect for creative campaigns. Leonardo AI offers fine-tuned models for versatile asset generation, ideal for rapid prototyping and specialized artistic styles. Explore top AI video apps transforming storytelling. Sora by OpenAI crafts realistic scenes from text prompts, ideal for small businesses. InVideo AI converts scripts into videos with ease, perfect for social media. Kling by Kuaishou creates cinematic quality videos, offering stylistic control for detailed content. Explore top AI apps for music creation. AI VA crafts emotional soundtracks for advertisements and social media, offering a free tier. Suno AI generates full songs from text prompts, ideal for jingles. SoundRaw provides customizable music, allowing mood, tempo, and genre adjustments for royalty-free tracks. Enhance your brand's audio presence effortlessly. Vibe coding helps small businesses translate their brand's essence into design. Lovable uses AI to create cohesive visual identities. Canva's magic design and edit features transform text prompts into graphics. Adobe Express offers intuitive tools for rapid graphic creation, aligning designs with your brand's feel effortlessly. RevAI offers the most accurate speech-to-text application programming interface, supporting multiple languages at 2.0 C each minute. Fireflies.ai uses generative artificial intelligence for transcription and analysis of voice conversations. Otter provides real-time transcription in over 30 languages, featuring speaker identification and automatic timestamps, with a free version available. Explore top AI apps for converting text to video. InVideo AI transforms ideas into videos with scripts, visuals, and more. Pictory converts long content into short videos, ideal for repurposing. Lumen 5 offers a simple editor for adding text to videos, perfect for brands. Free versions available for Pictory and Lumen 5. Thank you for exploring these top AI tools with me today. I encourage you to try them and see how they can boost your projects. Stay updated as new tools emerge and feel free to share your feedback. Happy exploring! Karen Koger, a certified AI consultant. Interested in an AI consultation? Book here. Unlock your LLM's potential by training it to adopt your unique voice. Use this prompt. I would like for you to write for me as my ghostwriter. I will provide my bio and 2 transcripts so you can learn my style and tone. This empowers the AI to mimic your rhetorical patterns and vocabulary. To customize your AI voice, start by uploading your bio to provide foundational insights. Next, share screenshots from your website or blog to convey your brand's aesthetic and content structure. Finally, provide transcripts and posts to enrich the AI's understanding of your vocabulary and tone. After training your large language model, use a feedback prompt to evaluate its grasp of your writing and conversational style. Ask it to describe your tone, common phrases, and conversation starters. This helps identify areas for improvement, ensuring your AI assistant accurately reflects your unique voice through iterative feedback and refinement. To maintain your AI's personalized voice, save customizations in ChatGPT's custom instructions for consistent style. For projects, store prompts in platforms like ChatGPT and Claude. Regularly validate by generating content to ensure the AI's output matches your tone and style, adjusting as needed. Market research is vital for decision-making, offering insights into customer needs and trends. In 2025-2026, United States small to medium businesses may spend $10,000 to $75,000 on projects, depending on scope and methodology. This investment provides crucial data for growth and competitive edge. Harness AI for market insights using advanced models. ChatGPT excels in initial scans and hypothesis generation. Claude analyzes extensive documents for detailed insights. Gemini integrates text, images, and video for a comprehensive view, identifying patterns across media. These tools offer speed and precision in understanding trends and consumer behavior. Today, we'll also explore Canva AI, a powerful tool for enhancing your design capabilities. Let's dive into its features and benefits. Thank you for attending today's AI Toolkit workshop. Scan the QR code to access the presentation and a guide to top AI apps. We hope you found the insights valuable and are inspired to integrate these powerful AI tools into your work. Ready to transform your business with AI? Schedule a personalized consultation with Karen Koger, Esquire, a certified AI consultant. Scan the QR code below to take the next step towards redefining your business success.